Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I wanted to show you the way how to edit your view only documents or comment only documents of Google Sheets by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your documents that in a view only format. Let's say I already have this example. You can see that this document is in a view only format, so it's only can be viewed without having access to edit the documents. So if you really need this template of the documents and you need to edit it, it's so simple. You just need to go click these three small dots on the top right corner, and after that request the edit access to the documents owner and let the documents owner give you an access to edit the documents. But then if you cannot received any access to edit this document, you can just do this instead. Go click these three small dots, and after that go click this share and export, and now go click make a copy, and the Google Sheet application will copy everything over these documents for you, and you can just start editing these documents by yourself. So that's the way how to edit the view only or comment only documents on a Google Sheet. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.